Dealership frequently asked question. What is the permission or biodiesel blend allowed in India to retail or sale of biodiesel? The government not permitted to blend any forms. Right now permission will be granted exclusively for the sale of biodiesel B100 only and not for any mixture thereof of whatever percentage. The Government of India Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has permitted to sell only biodiesel B100 only for retail biodiesel refilling station. Our dealer need to take all kind of necessary license as per government norms and regulation for business because in biodiesel industrial truth, almost biodiesel manufacturers are producing mixed solvents in the name of biodiesel instead of manufacturing B100 solvents are hydrocarbons, where having cheap rate mixed with diesel and sell in the name of biodiesel. More about biodiesel B100. What are biodiesel fuel basics? Biodiesel is a renewable, biodegradable fuel manufactured domestically from vegetable oils, animal fats, or recycled restaurant grease. Biodiesel meets both the biomass-based diesel and overall advanced biofuel requirement of the Renewable Fuel Standard. Renewable diesel, also called green diesel, is distinct from biodiesel. Biodiesel is a liquid fuel often referred to as B100 or neat biodiesel in its pure, unblended form. Like petroleum diesel, biodiesel is used to fuel compression ignition engines. Biodiesel performance in cold weather depends on the blend of biodiesel, the feedstock, and the petroleum diesel characteristics. In general, blends with smaller percentages of biodiesel perform better in cold temperatures. Typically, regular number to diesel and B5 perform about the same in cold weather. Both biodiesel and number to diesel have some compounds that crystallize in very cold temperatures. In winter weather, fuel blenders and suppliers combat crystallization by adding a cold flow improver. For the best cold weather performance, users should work with their fuel provider to ensure the blend is appropriate. Biodiesel B100 disadvantages. Biodiesel B100 not suitable for direct load in the vehicle. Technical issues like, example, coconut oil in the winter season will cloud or crystallize. Similarly, B100 will cloud or solidify will obstruct fuel injection systems. Times clogging of fuel lines and injector in engine operation. Times deposit in the fuel system. Times softening of fuel system seal, which softens rubber seals. Times broken fire at compression cylinders. What is this blend forms biodiesel B10, B20, and B30? A biodiesel B10 blend is 10% biodiesel and 90% petroleum diesel. A B20 blend is 20% biodiesel and 80% petroleum diesel. A B30 blend is 30% biodiesel and 70% petroleum diesel. Biodiesel B100 is the only 100% biodiesel that can blend with any petroleum diesel. What is the GST of biodiesel B100 and B30 blend? GST for biodiesel B100 is 12% HSN code 38260000. GST 18% for after blending biodiesel B30 name category will change as an industrial fuel oil HSN code to 7101990. We are selling industrial fuel oil. The selling price will be less than 8 rupees of normal petroleum diesel and GST 18% including all invoice bills will be raised through our online cloud system, web-based application. We are selling mixed hydrocarbons, industrial fuel oil for industrial use only. Our dealer or distributor will have stock point, storage yard, they will sell only in bulk quantity and loading only in cans, drum, tanker to door delivery. Note, dealers not to promote the sale has diesel and biodiesel. All the consumers need to go with our terms and condition and end user agreement about this product of use All the invoices will be a disclaimer and product details. All consumers will get invoice notification through SMS, WhatsApp, email, and paperless invoice, and also will get end-user agreement by email. What is a Go Green Fuel dealership? UNS, Go Green Fuel dealership, where will have authorization to sell Go Green Fuel across the particular region, where will be mentioned in the offer letter. Company-owned distributor or dealer operator. Additional place GST will be company scope. What are documents required to start a business? 1. KYC documents. 2. Commercial land or industrial land, owned or rented, fencing and gate should be preferable. 3. Storage license B class peso license. 4. Trade license. Terms and condition is applicable with Go Green Bioenergy India Private Limited policy. For any more details, contact www.gogreenbioenergy.com. Go Green Bioenergy India Private Limited. Email info@gogreenbioenergy.com. Toll-free number 180010232250. Contact number +918047277750.